What's good, guys? And I hope you're doing well. Welcome to a new forecast. It's Sunday. Oh shit, I need to buy. Hold up. My mom is so it's on my mom's birthday. Fuck. Oh shit. Okay, let me write it down. I need to buy presents for my mom. Um, birthday. Mom. Just need to buy 'em. All right. Welcome to the new forecast. It's August the 27th. I'm a bit tired. I'm gonna do a quick one. I'm leaving the Netherlands September the 5th or September the 4th. So next week I'll be prepping because I will be away for like 1.5 months. Um, so yeah, I'll be prepping next week for the flight, for the traveling, make sure I have everything, got everything sorted, passports, all that's all sorted already, but just easing out here, no stress at all, prioritizing that I got all my stuff ready and all that. So, and then my work and of course trading. So easy next week. Um, but yeah, nonetheless, we still got to be active, and that's why I didn't want to do the forecast actually, but I have to because this week will be the week of discipline. Last week I was super disciplined in terms of trade or in terms of workouts. I did 12 workouts, but I didn't do then at the end of last week, or actually this week, I suddenly started overeating, completely skipped my diet the last past 3 days. So I don't want to end a week with so much effort just to throw it away in 3 days. So gonna try again, and practice makes progress because perfection is what we strive for in order to make progress. Because we aim for perfection um, with the goal to progress is instead of being perfect. Anyway, forecast wise, let's dive into it and see where we can go. So first of all, that high time frame analysis on the XY is looking to play out. Now we can already see that we broke through this level. We broke through these levels. Although this is still, that one is still valid. This is still valid. We can see that that bullish range we had is slowly extending. We can see that we had a slowdown inducement on the daily time frame. That inducive candle here where we wick above and then close below. And then that strong push on Thursday and the indecisive movement on Friday. Yeah, but we're coming closer and closer to break above here. And it's not strange. It was quite predictable. Why? Well, we had this bullish kind of range from this low to this high. I don't even know if you reach into that discount. I actually do not even care if you reach into that discount. What I'm more wary of is that we are um, in a huge support and resistance area, and support and resistance works by far, and especially in a market like these conditions where news is so uncertain, there's so much going on in the world. I think that hold on. Hold on. Let me. There's so much going on in the world, and I think that especially now that you have to be open to different strategies, not just smart money, but combine it with all your knowledge. You always have to do that, but like this, okay, there's the range, maybe not the best range, but we can see that we didn't tap into this demand zone. Did we tap into Order block? I don't know. Did we? I don't know. I can see that we create equals or just came below that liquidity. So in terms of liquidity, there might be play. Well, we didn't. But we did react from that key level, that support level. And now we are coming up and we are below old lows. So our knowledge of buying below old lows, our knowledge of structure, and our knowledge of key levels, it's all combined and leading to this move. Well, it's not leading to this move, but leading to the understanding of this move. And yeah, and we said that, okay, we have these highs up here. We still know that we have this area up here. And now that we had that move to the downside, I think this is a very nice area to look for. EU, I don't want it to go lower. Ideally, I want to see it move from this structure. And with DXY already breaking bullish, almost breaking bullish, it could still mean that EU stays inside this bullish range. So then EU is bullish while, or DXY is bullish while EU is still bullish. And that would mean that DXY is above all highs. And when being above all highs, it means that we are looking for a price to come down. And that would mean that GU or EU would still be inside this range, and we would look for price to move up and following bullish structure. So let's see what happens. The thing is, if EU or if DXY breaks bullish and EU doesn't break bearish, they're not aligned anymore. So that would mean that our higher time frame on EU is not relevant to the high time frame of DXY anymore. Well, still not relevant, but or not in sync with. And therefore, for our future moves, we should look at more intricate price action, like 15-minute, like 1 hour, and not really at the high time frames until they are in sync again. So that's that. That's what I'm looking at now. My expectations, my forecast wise, well, structure wise, we are still inside premium of this bearish range. So I would still look for lower pricing until we get above here. As long as we stay below, I look for shorts. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That would mean for EU and GU that we will be looking for longs until DXY breaks bearish or bullish, or EU breaks bearish, or GU in this case breaks below this low and breaks bearish as well. If that doesn't happen, we have nothing than the current ranges we're working with. And that's pretty much it in terms of high time frame, in terms of structure. Now, liquidity wise, I would say the area we're in right now is also looking for bullish, looking for longs. If you ask me why we have this bullish range, we took internal range liquidity. So the move from here would be a high probability play. Looking at DXY, it took internal range liquidity coming into this demand zone. So again, after internal range liquidity, longs in a bullish structure are high probability plays. Liquidity wise though, you can see that we created kind of equals. Not really. It's not that equal, but we can see that there's not much price can react from over here on the daily, and on the lower time frames, price seems to be quite balanced to is right word. Seems to be quite balanced out at the tops here, and therefore, hold up, what's this? I would say be careful with those highs. And I think those highs are very reasonable targets. Looking at liquidity, looking at price behavior, all that. We got that strong move down, strong move up again, and we just we're not even reaching back into his discount pricing. We keep pushing up. So I think these highs will go. DXY highs gone, meaning that EU potentially breaks below here, but distance on DXY seems to be shorter than the distance for EU to get below here, although DXY might what's it called range while EU would move further down. So we don't know that either. Yeah. That's pretty much it. You don't need to go lower than that. Yeah, we can go lower, but then we go into like pre-market analysis levels, and I don't want to do that. So I would say wait for, well, not wait. No, don't wait, don't wait, don't wait. Follow that idea of structure on DXY. So first of all, we're looking for shorts until we break above. If you don't break above, then yes, shorts, aka EU longs. If you do break above, 1 second, guys. Sorry, this is important. This channel. Yeah. If we do break above, then we would look for shorts. And then if we do break above, then from where would we look for shorts? Well, that's some areas of here. Although this is quite correctional, this is quite slow. It's mitigate already, so we gotta see. But summer's almost over. Volume is slowly getting back into the market, and that's well, you can't really see it except for a volume indicator. But the whole summer we had, well, I was distracted with work as well, but there weren't that many setups as usual. So I think that is volume had its fair play um, in that. That's correct English. Sorry, I'm a bit tired. I'm a bit looking for. I'm a bit uh, the need for the words, whatever. And the rain is distracting. Sorry. So yeah, sorry, got distracted by all that. Where was I? So it's really up to DXY for me now. If we break above here, then yeah, I'm looking for shorts. If we don't break above here, I'm looking for shorts. But if we do break above here, I'm careful with EU and GU to break further to the downside, although the downside for GU is quite far away. So that is still, I think we will still stay bullish. Want to add to that if we go to the 4-hour time frame, because that's just where it's quite visible, is that we have a pool of liquidity sitting at the bottom of this range. And if we get lower, we might even see like strong impulse to the downside just to take that out and then get the move. And then we have a realigned GU with DXY, realigned E. If that happens on GU, it will probably happen on EU as well. Take out these lows and then get the move. So yeah, but as long as it doesn't happen, we aim for the areas we have over here. Other than that, I don't have much to add to it. For shorts for now, I would say just follow these ranges. I don't know. We create equals there, right? Did we get below? We did get below actually. didn't we? Yeah. Oh, that's annoying. So actually this is a low. This is a lower high. And this is a lower low. That's annoying. But yeah, it's valid. So look for shorts here. And I would look for longs from below these levels here. But yeah, that's too much detail. I will leave that for tomorrow's pre-market analysis. So high time frame wise, I would focus on the XY, wait for that, see how price is gonna react here. I think this is looking quite indecisive as well. It's actually looking quite impulsive, if you ask me. That wick to the downside, strong close to the upside, and then it push down. Not that much liquidity. Sorry, inside this leg, but momentum on its side. So yeah, let's see how price forms at this area before we make any decisions. It's the end of the month. There was a lot of news last week, so let's see. It's not really a forecast, more of my idea, and my positioning in the market right now, where I stand, what I think, how I feel about it, because trading isn't emotion, isn't without emotion, it's just controlling your emotions. But to make a well-informed decision, there's also a bit of emotion into play, like, because if you see have things happen so many times, there's like that emotional click in your head, like, oh, I've seen this before. Okay, that excites me because I know what's high probability, right? So that in itself is really an emotional decision or an emotional thought. But yeah, let's see. Let's follow the structure. Let's follow the liquidity. Let's just wait for a bit here, and then as soon as it's indicating that we're going short or breaking above, we can make a more well-informed decision than we can do right now. And that's pretty much it. So I'll catch you guys in the market. Hope you had a great weekend. I did. It's not over yet. Just did some minor tasks today. And catch you later. Peace out.